Hi, Mantas here, and this is my stats just posting 10 answers on Quora for third day. So on average I got around 100 views, like so, like 83, 105, 103. Got a couple of upvotes, and today I found out really cool stuff what Quora do. So maybe you remember from the first video how I posted stats from similar web as the main Quora traffic source is from search engines. So how did I came up with this idea is I was answering a lot of questions, and then a lot of these questions were merged into another topics. And basically what Quora do to rank their question answer this all database is to merge these questions. I mean, Quora likes a long copy. Long answers is accepted more, and you get more upvotes and all that good stuff. And all content loves Google. Google loves long copy as well. So basically, Quora takes questions which are very similar and looking from the past content which is ranking high and is similar because questions given on the community is similar, so they merge these questions into one, and in this way the content stays fresh all the time. So my question was merged and I came up with this topic: what kind of business I can start with zero investments. And as you can see here, there are 558 people who are following. And this term and this headline is what kind of business I can start with zero investment is like a long-term keyword which may, someone may be looking for it. So basically, there are a lot of long-term, long copy answers here, even with pictures, maybe with videos as well. And at the same time, if you look on the right side, there is related questions. And guess what? These are the headlines, and the headlines used as a keywords with the long copy as well. These are high traffic, topics. So if I'm gonna open another one, let's see, what are some good businesses that can be started with very cheap, with very small capital. So following users of 2.4, so 2,000 people follow this thread, and you know what? You can write an answer, a long copy answer. I mean, very, insightful, very good, very clear answer, long, and probably might be, I guess, these who are following this thread, this topic, is gonna be notified. So look at this. Long copy with images. It's like, it's like a blog post. Every this answer is it's like a blog post, long blog post. Very insightful. And there are, top marketers who are answering these questions. So it's very good if you're gonna find these topics. So you really wanna answer them. I mean, if you're gonna leave your link in there, you should get some attention. And oh, there's even videos. And guess what? They're leaving on links on. And Quora don't become angry because of that. Because it's a long answers Very good answers. So that's how Quora ranks content. It's merging content which is fresh to the old. Alright guys, that's it for today. Talk soon.